How to delete phone number on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok, and we are going to delete the phone number on TikTok. Firstly, you can see different options at the bottom like home, friends, plus option, inbox, and the profile. Just click on the profile option, and at the top you can see three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on it, and you have to click on the settings and privacy here. After that, click on the account here, and you can see account information, password, switch to business account, different option. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the account information which is present at the top, and you can see there is an option of phone number. Click on it, and whenever you unlike the phone number, click on unlike phone number. That phone number will be deleted on your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.